To use your Lowe's credit card online and make a payment, start by visiting the Lowe's website and navigating to the Credit Services section. Click on the Manage Your Account option and select the credit card payment option. You will be redirected to the Lowe's Credit Center webpage where you can log into your account using your user ID and password. If you are a new user, you can enroll for an online account by clicking on the Enroll Now option and following the prompts to create your user ID and password. Once you have logged in, you will be able to view your account balance, payment due date, and transaction history. To make a payment, click on the Make a Payment option and select the payment amount, payment date, and payment method. You can choose to pay your minimum payment, balance in full, or a fixed amount. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. When entering your payment information, ensure you use a secure internet connection and keep your login credentials confidential. Once you have completed the payment process, you will receive a confirmation number and an email receipt. It is essential to review your account activity regularly to ensure there are no unauthorized transactions. You can also use the Lowe's credit card online service to update your account information, request a credit limit increase, or report a lost or stolen card. By following these steps, you can easily use your Lowe's credit card online and make payments conveniently and securely. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and monitor your account activity to avoid any potential issues.